Hello everyone, welcome to PostgreSQL 18 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure pgBadger on PostgreSQL 18. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So first question is that what is pgBadger? So pgBadger is a powerful log analyzer for the PostgreSQL that generates the detailed reports from your PostgreSQL log files. Here is the how to install and configure and use the pgBadger on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So first step is that install the PostgreSQL 18. So if you haven't installed the Postgres 18, so start doing to install it. So update the latest packages on the PostgreSQL or and the your OS operating system is 24.0 for LTS. So let me update. So for that we need a Ubuntu server 24.0 for LTS. My Ubuntu server is running with the VMware workstation. There is a 24.0 for LTS is there. So I'm going to access this server with any SSH tool. So I'm opening CMD. So SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.136.128. Password admin at the rate 123. Sudo su clear. So now I'm going to update and upgrade my system packages. So if you are not updated latest packages, then it will take some time. Otherwise, it will update in few minutes. So let it complete. So after that, we are going to install the PostgreSQL common. So and we are going to share this pgdg file with the apt and PostgreSQL organization.sh file. We are running this. So this will change to our source list. So up to this, we can run at once. Completed. Now in the same command, I am just installing the updating the source list, then updating the package. Then we are installing the PostgreSQL 18. So this is a simple command. Already we have installed the Postgres 18 step-by-step process. You can go through the tutorial. After that, we are going to start and enable the PostgreSQL. Enter. So now going to start with the Postgres 18. Yes. Okay, sorry, Postgres 18. So this is a Postgres 18 GIT. So library going to be start installing. So after that, we will install the pgBadger. pgBadger is not a part of the Postgres SQL package, so you need to install it separately. So install the dependencies first. So pgBadger is written in the Perl. So you need to install the Perl few module. So update the system. We will install the Perl. So we updated the system. Then packages. There is a package size is 272 MB. Additional disk space would be required. So let it complete. Approx 3 minutes is showing there. So let's discuss with the documentation. So then we will install the pgBadger. So there is a simple command is there sudo apt install pgBadger and I'm putting -y. Yes, in the same time. So verify the installation. You can check with the pgBadger version. So following commands to confirm the pgBadger is installed or not. So you will see something like this 13x. Sorry. So this one approx 13x. I've created this. So next step, we'll configure the PostgreSQL login. So pgBadger is the generate reports and PostgreSQL need to be configured to be log enough information. So we'll edit the PostgreSQL and we'll provide the details for the, we'll update this following parameter details. So let me complete one by one. So this is 87% is completed. Then we'll install the pgBadger. So progress. So done. Now I'll install pgBadger. Sudo apt install pgBadger -y. So installation is completed. Now pg, I'm checking. So this is 13.1. So we are using the pgBadger 13.1. Now we'll just edit the configuration file, PostgreSQL configuration file. So open this file. So now we'll update the some parameters. So Control W and login collector should be on. Log directory. I'll change the path. Then file name. Then log retention setting. Age will be the log retention age. I am giving 1 day and retention size will be 0. 1 day. So, log minimum duration for queries. -1 is digible. 0 for the all statement. I'm giving 200 line. Then log line prefix. Log statement all the statement we are going to you can change as a DDL mode all. So I'm giving all. Now log checkpoints and connection. So log checkpoints on, connection on, and disconnection also on. On, this should be on, and this will also on. So we have done this one. So whenever you are changing any configuration file, you should restart for the apply the changes. So okay. Suppose this equal. So restart also done. Now we are moving to step 4. In step 4, we are test logging to the create database and create table. So we'll log into the PostgreSQL, then create database testdb. We have created the database testdb. Now /c testdb. Now Postgres is the default database. Now we move to the testdb. After moving to the testdb, we'll create the table and we'll insert some data. Now first create and insert data. Now select extract from test test table. There is a one row is there. Now drop the table and drop the database step by step. Drop the table, drop the database and exit. So now check the Postgres SQL logs. Check the recent logs. So we'll go through the recent log and let's see. So all the things select restrict from table, drop the table, drop the database, go from starting. Here you can see shutdown is there. So all the things you will get whatever query we have run. Now generate a Badger report. So required to install Apache 2. So we are installing the Apache 2 for the so installing Apache 2. This is a web server. So we have installed Apache 2. Now start and enable Apache 2. So it will ensure the whenever the system will reboot, automatically Apache 2 will start for that. Now run the pgBadger on your PostgreSQL log, and now the PostgreSQL is login data. You can use the pgBadger to analyze the log and generate a report. So from the log file, we are creating the pgBadger underscore report.html file. So generating the HTML report. We have generated one report. So this command will generate a report. This is the file. We'll get a .html file on this. Now we are going to access the report. So number of queries we have run 11, and all the details you will get here. And all the query, go to the session, establish session, and checkpoints, buffer, this thing, vacuum run, queries by type. So these are the queries by type we have run, event, log labels, tables. So event distributions, global stack, connection, temporary file. So all the things you will get. So these are the queries we have run. These are the queries. So you can go there, select restrict from table, drop the table, create the table, these files. So all the logs we have created, all the logs you will get into pgBadger, and all the details will get it. So now you'll see the detailed visual report of your pgBadger and PostgreSQL performance and activity, and automate the pgBadger report generation optional is there. So you can every day you can just create a cron job, and you can create a report at 6 a.m. and you can see all day. So you can edit the cron job. I'm going to use Nano. Go to the end, and you can add like this. So this pgBadger and will log file will read and will report generate the report. So you can run like this. So Control X Y and save. So now every day 6 a.m. It will generate a report, generate a new report. So you have installed the configure the PG run pgBadger on the Postgres 18. So step by step process we have seen here. So disclaimer is also there. So there is a social links are there. So you can connect with me with the YouTubes and Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook. And we have a group also, WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Just connect with that for the latest update. Follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Help them to get into this problem. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.